sensors and transducer subject discuss about the unit 5 signal conditioning and DAQ systems. DAQ means data acquisition systems. We discuss about the topic of data acquisition systems. It is considered as the two types: single channel data acquisition system, multi-channel data acquisition system. So A to D converter, first of all we applying the input signal to the analog to digital converter. So input signal means analog, converted as the digital signal. So digital signal into the buffer. So buffer to communicate the printout storage. So it is using the most popular example of single channel data acquisition system is the digital panel meter, DPM. So A to D converter based on the two techniques we can be using. Dual slope technique, another one is the successive approximation techniques. So dual slope techniques using the low frequency data, generally the thermocouple. So successive approximation techniques is the most widely using the high resolution, high speed and moderating cost. Basically, multi-channel data acquisition system, it can be dividing into the three types. First of all, we discuss about the multi-channel analog multiplexer system. Second one is the multiplexing output of sample and hold. Third one is the after A to D conversion. First we discuss about the multi-channel of analog multiplexer system. So analog signal is the input. So analog signal into the scaling. So four type of analog signal we provide to discuss the scaling, amplification and signal conditioning checking. So multiplexer to the multiple input getting the one output signal. So one output signal means sample and hold. So sample and hold circuit is given as the A to D conversion. So A to D conversion provided in the digital type of the logic. So logic means 0 or 1s. So 0 or 1s check the command to the multiplexer after this process is repeated again. So A to D conversion after buffer to data will be transmit to computer or data will be transmission is the multi-channel analog multiplexer system. So next we discuss about the multi-channel data acquisition system to the second type of the multiplexing output of the sample and hold circuit. So analog input is after two signal conditioning techniques after providing the sample and hold circuit. So providing the multiplexer multiple inputs getting the one output signal of the A to D converter. So timing circuit also we can be management the timing. What are the process will be, how many time will be taken to this process. So we checking the timing also. To A to D conversion means digital output. So interfacing, so transmission or processing of the system. It is the output of the sample and hold circuit. Next we discuss about the multiplexing after A to D conversions. So sample and hold circuit to A to D converter are assigned to the individual channel. The conversion of the speed pair requirement, the technique is parallel conversion. So analog data for the signal conditioning technique, sample and hold circuit, A to D conversion, processor and buffer and after digital multiplexing system. So this is the process of the after A to D conversion. So we discuss the after A to D conversion, what are the process will be going on these techniques. So we discussed. Okay, the single channel, multi-channel we can be classified the three types. First one is the analog multiplexer system, output of the sample and hold. Third one is the after A to D conversion. Okay, thank you so much.